I am personally very excited to welcome IMPROS because for those who don't know, Glenn, who pretty much ran the Watercraft division for Scat Track for 30 years. I want to say 30 years. Maybe it was a little shy of 30 years. Glenn's the guy who worked with OEs. He worked with racers. He worked with race teams. He is the prop master. He is the nozzle king. This guy was the dude for Scat Track. And don't get me wrong, there's a phenomenal team at Scat Track, but when Scat Track got out of personal watercraft in last December, and we did a little snippet of it, revisiting it, the reason we revisited that news of Scat Track closing its watercraft division was that Glenn went over with all of his experience and bought IMPROS. Dave Stewart was looking at getting out of IMPROS, and Glenn was happy to pick it up. And we are working with Glenn and his daughter Dana, and they have been absolutely fantastic in coming into the Watercraft Journal and knowing what they are bringing to the table and our reach of audience. Guys, I am asking you to be smart and hit up IMPROS. And when you do, use coupon code WCJ, Watercraft Journal, WCJ10 to save 10% off a brand new impeller, a stock replacement impeller, or if you want to send in your damaged impeller or you want to tweak your existing impeller, they will do it. They have a full service center that takes care of existing impellers. If you want to send yours in, they will apply that coupon code to any purchase you make. So save 10%. Go over to IMPROS, who's been around for 30-something years, and use an American company with American hands and support American business. They want to keep the IMPROS name around. I want to keep the IMPROS name around. I don't want people sending their money to freaking China. Keep your money in the U.S. and if you're sending it in to get repitched or repaired or buying a new one, hit up IMPROS. That's impros.com. IMPROS.com. impros.com, and either on the phone or check out digitally, use the coupon code WCJ10 to save 10% off. You'll thank me. I'm telling you, you'll thank me. And a lot of you guys, by the way, a lot of you guys who are trying to find the custom combination for your Yamaha Sea-Doo or Cowie, especially Yamahas who are having cavitation problems out of the hole, stop stabbing in the dark. Call the guys at IMPROS. They know it. They know exactly what you need because they're the ones who are supplying all the impellers to all the race teams. Real race teams. We're not talking the freaking yahoos out in Florida who are racing out in the ditches. No, we're talking Havasu race teams, guys who go international, guys who are going to Dubai. They're using Glenn's pitches. They're using Glenn's tech. So absolutely jump on this, okay? I'm telling you right now. I am projecting, Steven. This is my inside voice. I have voice modulation syndrome. But I'm making a big point. I'm making a very big point. So jump on IMPROS. Don't miss out on this one. Tell them Kevin sent you. Kevin screamed at you. Whatever the hell you wanted to tell them, they'll take care of you. All right? Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.